Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to remove software on your Windows PC. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you go ahead and right click on your startup menu. Then go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on apps. Then here you go. You have all apps on your Windows PC. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and scroll down and choose the actual app that you want to remove from your PC right here. So you can also make use of search this list right here. So however, I'm going to use a particular app as an example right here. So continue to scroll down and check the app that you really want to remove from your Windows PC. So I'm going to make use of search list right here. And I will go ahead and search for the app. All right, so this particular app right here, I'm going to remove it. So select on the app. Once you select on the app, go ahead and hit on uninstall. So I'm going to click on uninstall right here. Then this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click on uninstall. So you can see uninstalling. Are you sure you want to completely remove Wondershare? Just like what you see right here. Are you sure you want to remove Wondershare from your computer? Click on next. Then allow the uninstall program to run completely. You can see the app has been completely removed. So we search for it again, Filmora, so the file is not going to appear. It's that simple. So this is how to remove apps on your PC or your computer without any stress. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.